I want to turn this globe into a flat map. I'm gonna have to cut it open.
Have you guys seen the explanation on why all maps are wrong? And this guy's got the globe and he persists to cut it open all the way across and lays it out and tries to flatten out the globe. But wait, which came first? Flat maps or globes? Well, we all know flat maps came first. They are made using cartography and plane surveying, and despite all popular belief, they are still made that way today. In fact, if you think how globes are made, well, it's a flat map wrapped around a sphere. And a globe is just a spherical model of Earth. In fact, you'll find this disclaimer on the bottom of most classroom globes. Not for educational purposes. Even Robert Simmons had to take a flat map and wrap it around a ball to make the blue marble. That was supposedly done by satellite, but still collected all flat data. We know it's completely flat from any altitude. Even when Felix Baumgartner went to the edge of space, Neil deGrasse Tyson said,
"That stuff is flat."
From that altitude. And once they get all that flat data, then they wrap it around a ball, just like this, starting at the north. And this is kind of funny, because if you were to flatten all of this out, look at this ice around the outer edge of the south. And this geographer says, hate to break it to you, but all of your maps and globes are wrong, and this is actually more accurate than any map you've ever seen. But doesn't that look a little familiar? Oh, you know it looks familiar. So wait a minute, what you're saying is, if we were to take our globe and unwrap it, then the most accurate thing we would get for a map is this? So do you see the problem? They say that these are all wrong and distorted because they had to flatten out this, but in order to get this, they had to distort this, which actually looks more like this, which actually is this. So for those of you talking about discrepancies in scale of this map here, just know that it's looking like this one's actually closer in accuracy than any other map. It reminds me of a verse. How can you say to your brother, let me take the speck out of your eye, when all the time there's a plank in your own eye? You hypocrite, first take the plank out of your own eye, and then you will see clearly to remove the speck from mine.